Cranberries are small, tart berries that offer a range of health benefits due to their nutrient content and unique phytochemicals. Rich in antioxidants, did you know that cranberries are one of the few fruits native to North America? They've been consumed for centuries by indigenous peoples. You can enjoy their antioxidant benefits by incorporating fresh cranberries into sauces, salads, or even blending them into smoothies for a tangy twist. Urinary tract health. Cranberries have a natural tartness that can make them a bit challenging to eat raw. Try making your own cranberry sauce with a touch of honey or maple syrup to balance the flavors. This homemade sauce can be a delightful addition to both sweet and savory dishes. Heart health. For a heart-healthy snack, mix dried cranberries with a handful of nuts. The combination of fiber and healthy fats can help support your cardiovascular system. Cancer prevention. Cranberries aren't just for Thanksgiving. Experiment with cranberry relish as a condiment for grilled chicken or fish. The phytochemicals in cranberries may contribute to cancer prevention. Improved digestive health. Consider adding dried cranberries to your morning oatmeal or yogurt for a fiber boost. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Anti-inflammatory properties. When preparing a green salad, sprinkle a handful of fresh cranberries on top. Their antioxidants can help reduce inflammation in your body. Oral health. Next time you're sipping on cranberry juice, remember that it may also benefit your teeth. Just be mindful of added sugars in commercial cranberry juice, and choose unsweetened or low-sugar varieties. Skin health. Cranberry face masks can be refreshing and invigorating. Blend cranberries with yogurt and honey to create a natural face mask. The antioxidants can help protect your skin from environmental damage. Weight management. When snacking, try frozen cranberries. They're like natural popsicles and can satisfy your sweet tooth while providing fiber to help control your appetite. Immune system support. Cranberries are a versatile ingredient in the kitchen. You can make a delicious homemade cranberry vinaigrette by mixing cranberry juice, olive oil, and a touch of Dijon mustard. Drizzle it over salads to give your immune system a boost. Diabetes management. If you have diabetes, opt for unsweetened cranberry products to avoid added sugars. You can even make your own cranberry sauce with sugar substitutes for a lower carb option. Anti-aging properties. To celebrate the anti-aging benefits of cranberries, treat yourself to a cranberry and dark chocolate pairing. Dark chocolate's antioxidants complement the cranberries, creating a delightful, guilt-free indulgence. Remember that cranberries are not only nutritious but also versatile in the kitchen. So, get creative and explore various culinary uses to enjoy their health benefits in delicious ways. Like, share, and subscribe. There are many more informative videos to come.